Before buying smart muscle training gear, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, ZICOTO Workout Journal Black. First up, we have the ZICOTO Ultimate Workout Journal in black, priced at $11.99. What caught my attention is its sleek design and the promise to help you track your fitness journey. If you want to take control of your workouts and see real progress, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. With 140 pages, it gives you ample space to log your workouts, set goals, and monitor your progress. The ring-bound design makes it easy to flip through, and the faux leather cover adds a touch of class. Honestly, it's like having a personal coach right in your bag. With a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from 1,500 reviews, it's clear that many find this journal motivating. Now, some folks mention that the binding could be a bit delicate over time. Here's the thing though, if you treat it well, it should last. Plus, it's a fantastic tool for building consistency and accountability in your fitness routine. This is perfect for you if you're someone who loves to plan and track your workouts. Skip this one if you prefer digital solutions or apps instead. For just $11.99, it's a solid investment in your fitness journey. Now, if the journal's binding concerns you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ZICOTO Workout Journal Beige. Next, we have another ZICOTO Ultimate Workout Journal, but this time in beige, also priced at $11.99. It's almost identical to the black version but has a fresh look. If you're looking for a stylish way to document your workouts, this is worth a serious look. Why does this product solve your problem? Just like its black counterpart, this journal helps you stay organized in your fitness journey. It's spacious enough for jotting down everything you need, from workout plans to success stories. The 4.7-star rating from 1,500 reviews indicates that many users find it beneficial for staying focused and motivated. The slightly lighter color adds a unique touch and might appeal to those looking for something a bit more vibrant. Some users noted that the cover material could be prone to wear and tear. But here's the thing, it's meant to be used. If you want something that can take a beating, just treat it like a gym buddy and it will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you appreciate aesthetics while tracking your fitness. Skip this one if you need something super durable. At this price, it's an excellent addition to your workout gear. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more resistance. Product number 3, ZELUS Weighted Vest. Now let's talk about the ZELUS Weighted Vest, which ranges from $12.99 for the lighter weights to $25 for the heaviest. I was really drawn in by the versatility and how it can amplify any workout. If you want to push your limits and build muscle efficiently, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The ZELUS vest comes in weights from 6 to 30 pounds, allowing you to tailor your resistance based on your fitness level. Its snug fit means you can move freely, whether you're squatting, sprinting, or doing push-ups. Plus, the reflective strips add a safety feature if you're working out outdoors. With an impressive 4.6-star rating from over 16,500 reviews, it's clear that many find it effective for both strength training and weight loss. Some users mention that the vest can feel a bit bulky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the extra weight can significantly ramp up your workouts, making it an effective tool for serious muscle building. This is perfect for you if you're looking to add a challenging layer to your workouts. Skip this one if you're just starting out and prefer lighter workouts. For the price, it's a smart investment in your fitness journey. Now, if the bulkiness of the vest concerns you, the next product offers a completely different type of protection. Product number 4, Be Smart Shin Guards Black. Next up, we have the Be Smart Muay Thai Shin Guards in black, priced at $18.99. I was impressed by how they combine protection with comfort. If you're into martial arts or kickboxing and need reliable protection, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. These shin guards feature high-density EVA foam padding that protects your shins while allowing for high kicks and full mobility. The dry fit technology wicks away sweat, making them perfect for intense training sessions. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews, they're well loved by fighters who need robust gear. Some complaints mention that the sizing can be tricky for a few users. But here's the thing, they offer various sizes for kids and adults, so if you check the sizing chart carefully, you should find a great fit. This is perfect for you if you're training in MMA or kickboxing. Skip this one if you prefer gear that's less protective. For the protection you're getting, it's competitively priced. Now, if the sizing issue isn't for you, the next product in green offers a similar level of protection, but in a different style. Product number 5, Be Smart Shin Guards Green. Finally, we have the Be Smart Muay Thai Shin Guards in green, priced at $17.99. The price is slightly lower, but the quality remains impressive. If you want stylish yet functional shin protection, this is worth a serious look. Why does this product solve your problem? Like the black version, these shin guards provide excellent protection with high-density EVA foam. The moisture-wicking material keeps you comfortable, and the easy pull-on design makes them convenient to wear. With an equal 4.5 stars from 1,600 reviews, they're highly rated for protecting your shins during intense training. Some users have pointed out that they may not fit well on larger legs. But here's the thing, if you're within the size range, they should work perfectly. Just make sure to check the sizing chart before ordering. This is perfect for you if you're training seriously and want some flair in your gear. Skip this one if you have larger legs that might struggle with fit. At this price, you're getting great value for solid protection. In summary, we covered a range of fantastic smart muscle training gear. The ZICOTO workout journals are perfect for tracking your fitness journey, while the ZELUS weighted vest ramps up your workouts. The Be Smart Shin Guards offer protection whether you choose black or green. Each of these products has its strengths and caters to different needs, so pick the one that resonates with your fitness goals.